Discover how to seamlessly embed Calendly scheduling into your Framer site, quickly and efficiently. First, use the Framer sidebar to switch between the Pages, Assets, and Elements tabs to prepare your workspace for embedding Calendly. Then, open the Canvas menu to choose where the integration will go. Next, navigate the Elements sidebar and make sure you're on the Pages tab. Add a new page where you would like your Calendly integration to appear. Stay focused on the Framer Project tab to keep working within your design environment. Then, go to Calendly and copy the scheduling link for your event type, or open your booking page and select Add to Website to generate an embed code. After choosing the Inline Embed option, proceed and click the code box to access the HTML code. Switch back to the Calendly tab if necessary to keep your embed settings available. In Framer, use the Add menu to insert a new component. Open the Utility or CMS collections from the sidebar to find the Embed option. Once the Embed component is in place, set its type to HTML and paste your Calendly embed code into the field. Use the Insert tool again if you want to adjust your layout or add more elements around the Calendly block. Approve any browser reload prompts to ensure the embed changes are properly applied. Finally, publish your Framer site and click Update to make the integration live. Your Calendly scheduler is now embedded on your page. You've just integrated Calendly with Framer. Great job!